Have you ever woken up hoping for that natural surge of energy and firmness you once had, only to find your body doesn't respond the way it used to? For many men over 50, morning erections fade. But the truth is, it's not just age. There are natural, practical ways to wake up stronger. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. Today I'll share with you 3 secret pressure points that can boost circulation, stimulate energy, and support firmer, more reliable morning erections. They're simple, safe, and can be done in just minutes a day. Erections are all about blood flow. After 50, circulation slows, vessels stiffen, and testosterone declines, making mornings less dependable. Acupressure can help by improving circulation, calming nerves, and restoring balance. Pressure point number 1. Lower back dimples. The first point is in the lower back dimples, just above the hips. In traditional medicine, it's tied to kidney energy, the foundation of sexual vitality. Pressing here improves pelvic circulation, relaxes stiff lower back muscles, and opens blood flow. Instruction. Place thumbs in lower back dimples. Press gently for 10 to 15 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times with deep breathing. Pressure point number 2. Below the navel. The second point is about 2 inches below the navel, sometimes called the energy gate. This spot is linked to prostate, pelvic nerves, and stamina. Stimulating it helps balance hormones, reduce stress, and support stronger erections. Instruction. Press with 2 to 3 fingers firmly. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes. Use circular motions while breathing slowly. Pressure point number 3. Inner leg above the ankle. The third point is on the inner leg, about 4 finger widths above the ankle bone, behind the shin. Known for reproductive health and hormonal balance, this point enhances circulation to the pelvic region and helps prepare the body for stronger morning responses. Instruction. Sit comfortably. Press firmly for 10 seconds, release, repeat. Massage in small circles for added effect. How it works. These pressure points work because they relax blood vessels, stimulate circulation, and calm stress hormones like cortisol. Stress is a major enemy of testosterone. By practicing daily, you support both physical and hormonal balance. Daily routine. White heavy checkmark morning or bedtime. Press lower back dimples. White heavy checkmark apply gentle pressure below navel. White heavy checkmark activate inner leg points before sleep. Think of it like brushing your teeth. A small daily habit that builds powerful results over time. So here's my advice. Take 5 minutes a day to try these 3 pressure points. Over time, you'll notice better circulation, stronger mornings, and renewed confidence. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more clear, practical guidance on men's health, prostate care, and vitality after 50.